your workers on the front line who may be reporting, the safety observations, maybe from a production area. They're using a mobile safety app, which means it becomes really easy for them to just whip out their mobile, capture something that may be missing or something that should not be there, and report it immediately. And then, the people who are concerned, all those who should be aware, are made quickly aware of the situation, so that decisions can be made, actions can be taken. And what this points out to in terms of what are some of the operating steps you've taken, is that it can prevent risk of workplace incidents. It can eliminate your costly downtime as well. So, and you'll have workers and supervisors, EHS executives across maybe multiple locations who are using a centralized EHS system to share best practices and learnings to drive better engagement. And this is something that can help improve organizational culture in terms of sharing, in terms of understanding what some of the other teams are doing with respect to EHS, and then drive some of those continuous improvement measures. And you may have an EHS leader who's analyzing safety incident data across the organization. What they're doing here is they're trying to spot certain trends and patterns. They're trying to see if there is something that's happening that shouldn't be there, and what could be essentially the focus areas in terms of improvement, as well as taking some proactive measures. Because having access to data in one place, having the ability to surface decisions, trends, and patterns can help drive or can enable EHS executives to make more accurate decisions that are backed by data, and that they can improve, they can minimize risks. Similarly, quality professionals can review supplier data to ensure the resource allocation, as well as some of the supplier standards, are being enforced quite rigorously. And then this is about aligning your processes with the plan, do, check, act cycle to drive operational excellence. In last, you'll have a site supervisor who's completing an inspection, say on a mobile app, and which is then triggering those upstream and downstream actions. They can be assigned to respective teams, and decisions can be made, because this ensures that it's not only about making the right decisions, but also placing accountability where it matters, and then taking the right steps, the right actions.